Hey, what's going on, traders? A lot of people asking me this question. Hey, Chris, how do you make money in the stock market? What do you do? What strategy do you use? And I say this one thing. I use lots of strategies. There are several different indicators and different strategies that I use to put myself at an 80% chance to win and a 20% risk. And one of those indicators that I like to use is my favorite, and that's the RSI. Let's take a deeper dive into the RSI. All right, the RSI is a momentum indicator that uses technical analysis that measures the recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the stock price. Now, what is overbought? Overbought is basically paying a premium. That's just like walking up to the car dealership, looking for a car, seeing that sticker price saying $23,000, right? You see that sticker price $23,000. Basically, you're paying that premium. You're paying for that car. You're paying for that name. You're not getting it at a discount. So what if the car dealers say, hey, you know what? We're running a special this week for this car. Instead of $23,000, you can get it for $17,000. You're getting it at a discount, and that's what oversold means. That's getting it at a discount, oversold. Paying that premium or that sticker price, that means it's overbought. It's a lot of sellers in oversold, a lot of buyers in overbought. So let's dive a little deeper into this. How do we find these plays? When do we see these plays? Where is this Where is this special RSI indicator? Okay, let's take a look. All right. So what I'm looking at is Li Auto. Right, so type in LI. As you can see, LI means Li Auto. Alright, so if I wanted to go look at Tesla, here's Tesla. Excuse the chart. Just go to Li Auto. Type in Li Auto. Alright, so what I'm looking at is the daily chart. So as a swing and short term and a long term trader, what we always want to look at is the daily chart. We don't really care about the intraday. We don't care about the 1 minute. We don't care about the 5 minute because we're not day trading this stock. We're looking for good premium stocks that's basically oversold, which means getting it at a discount. All right, so what we want to do is go to the daily chart. All right, so if we're looking at a daily chart, we see that every candlestick represents 1 day, right? Every candlestick represents 1 day. And we see that Li Auto hit $47.70. That's the highest Li Auto has ever gone to. All right, so we know that that's the potential that this stock can run back up to, right? This stock can become $47.70 again. So how we implement the RSI is we bring that RSI indicator at the bottom of the screen. That's where it usually pops up. Sometimes the MACD will be down there, some other little indicators. So you just have to switch your indicator depending on what brokerage company you use. Right here is TD Ameritrade. I know a lot of my traders use Webull, so if you cycle through it, you will see the RSI indicator. And what we're looking for is we're looking for any stock to go below 30 on the RSI. As you can see that this stock is at 29.60, well, basically 29 on the RSI. And that means that this stock is oversold. That means a lot of sellers came into this play, sold this play off for many days, and now it's oversold. That means I can get this stock currently right now on a discount. As you can see, over 70 is overbought. So any play that's overbought means it's a lot of buyers into this play, and that we will be paying a premium for this play if we want to own this stock. As you can see, $47, it's people that bought up at $47. So they paid the highest premium to own Li Auto. All right, so as Li Auto end up tanking, coming right back down, I like to call this the mountain peak. The mountaintop. You come up here, you plant your flag, and planting your flag means selling your shares. As selfish traders, we look for this. We look for the break of that 70 to put this stock in a overbought range. As you can see, these lines are red. Overbought. Red means bad, right? Red means you're going to pay that premium. Blue means good, right? Blue is supposed to mean good, right? All right, so if we ever see something that's oversold 70 on the RSI, we do not want to pay that premium. We want to wait for it to come down. Yes, you might have to wait a few months or a few weeks, a few days, whatever. But these are the plays that we look at. Like, so what I did is I see auto at 29. All right, let's start this up. So I see 29. I see Lee Auto at 29. So what do I do as a trader, right? If I see something at 29 that's at a discount, right? As an investor of a company, if I see discounts, I'm gonna take advantage of those discounts, right? So what we want to do is $17.92. It's currently oversold. What I want to do is I want to buy a few shares. So let's just say we just buy 150 shares, right? Let's change that up. Buy 150 shares. You know, we holding this for a few days, maybe a few months, because it took a few months for this to come down. So we're gonna hold this for maybe a month or two, right? So currently, today is May 6th, right? Today is May 6th, so this is back in time. I just want to show you guys the power of looking at the RSI, buying stocks when things are low on the RSI. Not things, but companies or stocks are low on RSI. The power of this. All right, so let's just take this up a notch. Let's go with 200 shares. Let's buy 200 shares. All right, so we just bought 200 shares at $17.92. So we spent roughly a little under $4,000, right? A $4,000 trade. We know that this stock has the potential to go to $47. This stock currently is oversold, which means I'm getting it at a discount. So let's fast forward a few days. All right, so our entry price is $17.92. So we're just sitting back and relaxing. We're not gonna worry, we're not gonna stress, because this is a good strategy that I love. All right, and let's see how much money we can end up making. All right, so today is May 6th. Let's go to the future. Let's go a month. Right, let's go to the 28th. All right, so we end up fast forwarding a month in time. So we go to the 28th, and as you can see that we end up buying it oversold, and the stock end up at that discount, and the stock end up running up, right? Running up to that overbought. So this can be a potential sell, but I like Lee Auto, right? We're currently up $1,000 in less than 1 month. $1,000 in less than 1 month. So our accounts are looking pretty good, right? I love my account. I love being green. I love being up $1,000, right? With just by letting my money sit, right? So that's why people say, hey, don't have your money sitting in a savings account. I can have these $4,000 working for me. I'm currently up $1,000 on this. So let's just go to today, right? So if I would have held this for a month and a half, what's the day? Today is the 23rd. So we'll just go to the 21st. So we go to the 21st, and let's see how much profit we just have just by holding Lee Auto for a month and a half, using the RSI strategy. As you can see that it is in the overbought range. That means I can sell this now at a premium, and somebody else will pay that premium price. So what I want to do is, I notice that this stock is overbought. Do I want to just sit on it? Yeah, I can sit on it and hold it for another month. But guess what? What goes up will come down. As you can see that this range was overbought. It came down. This range is now overbought. Now, do I just sit on it and let this $2,000, $2,500 almost go right back down to maybe $1,000? No, what I want to do is be a selfish trader, and I want to sell. So I want to sell all 200 or maybe 150 and lock in some of those profits, and let the other 50 just ride, continue making you money as the stock continue to go up, or if it go down, you can have a stop loss, right? And that's what I teach you guys. But me, I like to get out of the play, right? Bam. So I just locked in $2,485.50. Is that good money or what? That is great money to me. Is that great money to you? I would hope so. So, in a nutshell, the RSI is a perfect strategy that I love and that I use, and I recommend all my traders. This is the RSI strategy that I love and that I use often. It's a surefire way that you can make money. Take your profits, be selfish, and go to the pick your strategy. Watch this video 1 time, 2 times, 3 times if you have to. But understand this strategy. Put it in your playbook. You put it in your toolbox. This is something that you can use to make you money in the long run. All right, so now let's use this strategy and get to this money and be selfish. Take those profits now.